Can I use the IRS partial shutdown to my advantage? Maybe. Due to the federal budget impasse, about half the IRS is off. This does not necessarily provide breathing space for taxpayers with IRS debt, but in some cases it can. Listen on to learn how the shutdown really works and how to use it. Hi, I'm Dave Horwedel, CEO of Torchlight Tax. Human-driven collections slow or stop, while computer operations continue, including automated collections. You still file your returns, and if you do not, you will be automatically penalized. However, to levy you, the IRS must issue a final notice of intent to levy and notice of your right to a hearing and wait 30 days. If you timely request a collection due process hearing, levy action is suspended while the hearing and any court appeals are pending. If you have already received this letter or receive one, rapid action is necessary. However, once we have filed the CDP request, you now move into a queue where the IRS partial shutdown may be to your advantage. There are also specific exceptions to this levy authority, such as jeopardy levies, state tax refund levies, federal contractor levies, and disqualified employment tax levies, DETL. If you have any of these situations or are unsure, contact Torchlight Tax for a free consultation and we will answer your questions and see what we can do to assist. A similar situation can occur with a notice of deficiency or notice of determination. Only these require that you petition the tax court. See my video, What is Tax Court, on my Torchlight Tax YouTube channel. Unlike 99.8% of tax professionals, we at Torchlight Tax can represent you in tax court. Whether you petition tax court or request a hearing, the next step requires human interaction and will likely be delayed. A CDP hearing request or petition to tax court stops collection until the hearing or tax court is completed on the tax types and years covered. If the humans who do hearings and court appeals are furloughed, you get extra time. When they come back from furlough, they will be backlogged. You cannot just assume all years are covered. I recommend you contact an IRS representation expert to make sure you do not miss anything. As mentioned earlier, we are glad to do a free consultation. The delay in enforcement helps you if you just need a little extra time and use it. Example, you request a CDP hearing and this hearing gets pushed past January 1st, 2026. You use the time to file any unfiled taxes and you do the paperwork and discover you qualify for an offer in compromise OIC. You do not pay your final quarter estimated taxes for 2025 and instead file 2025 taxes in January and include your 2025 tax debt in your OIC. In this circumstance, you must make sure you pay your estimated taxes for 2026, not 2025. This can buy you some time to get your act together, but if you do not act, things will eventually get worse. What if you get a bank levy during the shutdown? Here is how a bank levy actually works once it's issued. Your bank freezes the balance on the day the levy hits and holds it 21 days before releasing funds to the IRS. That 21-day hold is in the Internal Revenue Code and regulations. It's a one-time slice of what's in the account that day. If the levy doesn't clear the debt, IRS can levy again later. That 21-day clock is your last best shot to get a release, hardship, error, or an alternative arrangement. Are new collection levies on hold? Many field-issued levies will slow because people aren't there, but the automated notice pipeline and certain automated levy programs continue, and some levy types have statutory exceptions to the pre-levy hearing rule. As I mentioned, don't assume a blanket pause. If you are behind in tax filings, have IRS debt, would like to protect your assets, or improve your tax or financial situation, contact Torchlight Tax for a free consultation at 877-758-7797 or info@torchlighttax.com. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have over 400 articles or videos on the Torchlight Tax website and YouTube channel. You are welcome to view these or give us a call at any time. Thanks for watching.